Hi, this is Ezekiel again, your guide in using messengerbot. Today, I will show you one of our flow builder components that gather informations from users and save them inside messengerbot database and can be used on both Facebook page and Instagram business account. You can also set your desired questions with it as it is highly customizable. This component is called User Input Flow. This is best used if you want to gather specific informations from your customers such as phone number, email address, delivery address, or even questions that you see on a survey. Now, these and all of messengerbot automated features can be yours for as low as $9.99 a month. If you like what you hear, please stay and watch the whole video. You can also share and like this video or subscribe to our channel so you'll be updated with messengerbot news. Alright, now let's go to our messengerbot. Now for you to go to our user input flow or our flow builder creator, just go to bot manager. Also, there are two ways that you can set a user input flow. The first one is to manually create inside the flow builder, or go to your user input flow settings, then create your user input flow here. For you to create here, just click the classic creator. Now, here are all the details that you can gather from your customers. You have two options: free keyboard input or multiple choice. Now, let's say you want to gather the email address of your customer. Just click email. Then enter your question here, like, please provide your email address. There. Also, don't forget to name the campaign. Or, if you select the multiple choice, you will put a question here and then the customer can select the options that you have provided. Now for this tutorial, I will not use this method. The method that we will be using is inside the bot flow builder here. Alright, now for us to create a chatbot with user input flow, let's click the create new flow here. Now this is the first component you will always see if you start creating your chatbot. Now, we first need a trigger keywords or an action button to trigger our bot. Now, this is our trigger keywords and this is our action button. Now, the trigger keywords is that you set a word that if the customer type that word, the bot will be triggered or the bot will start. Now, in the action button, the customer will be prompted with a button that if they select it, the bot will start. Now for this tutorial, I will use the trigger keywords. Now for you to enter details inside a component, just double click it. There. Now, let's enter the word that we want our bot to start with. Let's say if the customer says hello, our bot will start. Also, you have the options here to select exact keyword match or string match. The exact keyword match is that the customer needs to specifically type this word. But in string match, if the customer send a sentence to you and that sentence has this word, then the bot will also start. So let's say hello, then exact keyword for this tutorial. Then once you're done, just click done. Okay, now don't forget to connect your components. Now this start bot flow, let's put a title on it. Let's say user input flow demo. You can also select a labels here. Then click done. Now let's say we are building a chatbot for our store. So let's greet our customer. The text component is the one you want to use. Now double click it, then enter the message you want your customer to receive once they typed hello. Let's say, thank you for visiting our shop. Please, there. You can also put the customer's first name and last name. Also put an emoji. You also have the typing on display and the delay in reply. Then once you're done, just click done. Let's put another text component here. Here, let's say, please feel free to browse our shop. Alright, now let's add the button so the customer can click something on it. Let's say the button says browse shop or items. Then in the button type, for now, I will just click new postback. But if you have created already a postback, you can select it here. Then just enter the postback ID. Or you can enter a web URL, web view, and all of this informations here. Now this new postback, let's name it just demo. Then click done. Now, once the customer click this browse item, let's put a carousel component next to it. Now the carousel, the customer will receive a slide images of your items. This is best used if you want to send multiple images in just one response. So let's connect it first. Then here, let's put our items. Just click this to upload the pictures of your items. There. You can also put the image destination link here, then the name of the item. Now that's our first item. Then let's just upload the two images that we have here. then the last one. Now here at the button part or the button component, let's put here get it now. Let's just copy it, then new post back. Let's do the same to the other button component. Now demo here. Alright. Now, if the customer select one here, they will have the Get It Now button under it. Then, once they click the Get In Now, oh, I just notice it's Get In. Let's change it to Get It. Okay, as I have mentioned, if the customer click the Get It Now, the customer will be asked for information. That's the use of our user input flow. So let's drag our user input flow here. Then double click it. If you created a user input flow in the user input flow settings, you can select your created user input flow here. But if you want to create your user input flow inside the flow builder, just click Add New Input Flow. Then name the campaign. So let's say user input flow demo. There. Of course, don't forget to connect it, the components. Then here in the questions, you have the options to select the free keyboard input or the multiple choice. So let's try the free keyboard input first. There. Now, here you can type your questions. Let's say, please enter your phone number. Then you can select the reply type. If you want a text reply from your customer, an email reply from your customer, or phone or number, you can select it here. So let's say we need the customer's phone number first. Then here is the save to custom field. So if you have created a custom field, all of the informations that the customer will answer in this user input flow will be saved in the custom field. The same as in the labels. But for now, let's just not add a custom field. Now here, in the save system field, let's say, since we will ask the customer's phone number, select the phone number as well here. So in the subscriber manager, the details that will customer provide here will automatically saved in the phone system field or in the phone field for that specific subscriber. Okay, you also have the assign to a messenger sequence if you have one. Then the email and phone sequence, and also the skip button so you can give the customers an option to skip this information here or skip this question here. So let's say skip here. Then once you're done, just click done. All right. Now that's for the first question. Now let's use another question or another informations that we want to gather from our customer. Now just drag the next button. I will show you again. Just click the next button, then drag it outside, then just left click. Then you will have the new question. So we will set this up again as a free keyboard input. So here, please provide your email address. Then click the email. Then the save to system field as email also. Then the skip button text here. Then let's put another question. Please provide your delivery address. As you have noticed, there's no delivery address here. But for this kind of question, you can just select the text. So you will receive a text reply from the customer, or the system will allow the customer to reply on their own. So just click location here. Then the skip button. Then click done. Now let's say you only have 3 questions for your customer to proceed with their order. Then select the final reply. Here you can create a new post back. Let's say thank you demo. Then just click the next or drag the text button here. Connect it. Then let's say this is our thank you message to our customer. Thank you for providing all of the informations. All right. Now let's put another one or another user input flow here. Once they click get it now, you can just let's just drag another user input flow here. Then this time let's select the let's just name the campaign here. This time, let's select the multiple choice. Okay, let's just connect the components. Then here in the multiple choice, you can enter a question, then give the customers an option that they can select. Let's say this is a survey. Please rate our shop from 1 to 5. So let's say the option number 1 is 1 star. Two stars. You can also add more options. There. You can also select the reply type here, then the save to system field here. Since we will create this as a survey, you can just select anything here. Then select the skip button. Then click done. Now, let's put another thank you post back here. Alright, now you have created a simple chatbot with a shop or that can gather informations from your customers as well answer surveys inside Facebook page, Messenger, or Instagram business account. Now, let's try this. Of course, don't forget to click save. Oh, we forgot one here. So let's just remove this one item here. Okay, now click save. Alright, now if you want to test your bot, just click the Facebook page here. It will prompt you to the Facebook page or Instagram business page that you have associated to your messenger bot. Now this is my demo Facebook page. Let's just select my personal account here. Then let's try to contact our page. If you still remember, the trigger keywords that we have entered is hello. There. Now the bot should reply to us. Now here is the browse item button. Let's click it. Then we will receive the carousel component or the list or the slides of images that we are selling here. There, that's the white t-shirt and the white crew neck. Now here, if you select the get it now, we will be asked to provide informations from to our customers or to the Facebook page. As you can see, the customers have the options to skip. Now, please enter your phone number. Let's say this is our phone number. Then the bot will reply or ask to provide the customer's email address. So let's say this is our email address. And the delivery address. Now that is the thank you response. Now here in this white crew neck, if you remember, we set it as a survey for our customers. Let's try it. Get it now. And as you can see, please rate our shop 1 to 5 stars. Now the customer can select one of these options that you have set. So let's say 5 stars. Then of course the thank you message. Now, all of these informations are saved inside the messengerbot database. I will show you how to see all of those informations. Just go back to your messengerbot application. Don't forget to refresh it. Then go to user input flow settings. Then click lists. Now here are the user input flow that we have created. Now click one of those. Click the report. You can view all the informations by clicking this action button here. As you can see, you will see the questions and the customer's answers. Or click this button here. You will be redirected to the subscriber manager. Here, you will see the customers or the users who contacted you and answer those questions. As you can see, this is my personal account. Then if you want to see all of the answers for this specific user, just click the action button here. Okay. Now here is our subscribers data. If you go down, you will see all of the informations of the customer saved here. Since we have set the Save System field, the information automatically saved in these sections here: the email address, the phone number, and the location. Now, if you want to see the specific questions and the answers of the customers, just click the user input flow answer here. As you can see, this is the survey questions that we have created. Please rate our shop 1 to 5 stars. Then the customer answers 5 stars. Here also, please enter your phone number, then all of these details. Okay, as you can see, you can gather informations from your customer using this method. Or if you need to gather some of your customers' thoughts or reviews, you can set this as a survey for them. The good thing about this is that they don't need to receive some forms or go to links or website just to answer a survey. They can answer it directly through your Facebook page or Instagram business account. Alright, I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. And please do subscribe in this video and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos comes out. That's all for today. Until next time, bye!